Today I'm going to show you how to turn your henna into bedazzled henna. This is part 2. Part 1, we learned how to make this henna darker. A couple weeks ago, I saw this creator post this beautiful henna video with like pearls on it, and I loved it. It was so beautiful. I saved it. That video is gone. I cannot find it anywhere. If you know who the creator is, please let me know so I can tag them. Let's put jewels in my henna. We're using these jewels I got from Michael's. I didn't want rhinestones. I wanted something that can match, like look like Indian jewelry, like actual metal with gold or silver, depending on the look I want. I think I'm going to use the third side in. I think they'll be perfect to like stone them in the middle of these flowers, as my mom would call it, chicken scratch, but I would call it flowers. The girlies that get it, get it. The girlies that don't. I'm going to be using this tool, this one to put the glue, this one to pick up the rhinestones. We're going to use this glue that I got from the beauty supply, but you can also use duo. Some out on the petri dish. Don't make sure you don't do a lot because we're going to work in sections and I don't want the rest of it to go dry. Start right here and I'm literally going to just dab that much on there, at least 3 or 4, okay? This might not be that time consuming because I'm just going to go quickly. So we're going to pick up the rhinestones. I love this little picking thing. Shimmer just right. Oh my god, this is gonna look so good! Mehndi hai rachne wali, aankhon mein gehri lali. If you have the right tools, you can literally do this in 10 minutes. Let me block the light so you guys can see how beautiful this is. Now that they have dried, I'm gonna press on them to see if any of them are gonna fall off and like cement them really. I don't know about lasting a whole night while in an event, but this definitely is an aesthetic. I think it will last maybe a couple hours, but it's not bad, not bad. This turned out so nice, obsessed.